What is up, guys? Today we're gonna do another quick little unboxing. This time it's not gonna be that car related. It's a little different, but let's go ahead and open this up real quick and show you guys what it is. You guys ready for the big reveal?
Boom! Big reveal! I'm a pickle! What do you think about that? I turned myself into a pickle! I'm Pickle Rick!
Boom! Big reveal. It's a Pickle Rick. Oh, it's a PS4. Thought it was a Pickle Rick. Oh! Alright, let me go ahead and move all this stuff out of the way. Alright, as you guys can see from the box, clearly it says it's a limited edition PS4, and this is the 1TB with that comes in the green camouflage as shown in the picture right here. If you guys can already see that. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do when I place this anywhere and then I can't find it because it's gonna blend in with everything else. So I should probably put like a tracker on there just in case I lose it, or I don't know where it's at. But whatever. This is this is the Call of Duty edition. Obviously, show you guys the back. You can see all the cool pictures. Kind of looks like some guy I know. His name's Jose. Kind of looks like it. He's weird. Shout out to AMTR_SI. Anyways, I don't even know how to open this thing. Oh, there's tape right there. Cut that thing out. Alright, are you guys ready for the big reveal? Oh, would you look at that? It's another box. Ta-da! Look at that. It's another box. This one also says PS4. Huh, that's weird. Take that out. Who makes these boxes? There you go. Got some good. Oh, little headpiece. Little headpiece action going on. And then we got HDMI cable. Oh, here's the controller. I need to check this out. It's like a matte green. Oh, you guys can see the color. Pretty cool color. Like a military matte green. That's pretty sick. I'm gonna put that out. I need that plastic. Power cable. Charging cable for the remote. And I think that's it. Oh, I think the rest is what we're all here for. Oh, the quick start, guys. That's what you guys wanted to see. Just kidding. Don't need that. Whoops. Everything pretty much fell out. Oh well. Move that out of the way. Ta-da! Ooh. Is this a remote? Is this a controller? Just kidding. Check that out. Pretty sick. That matte green again. Here's all your outputs. Side vents. There's the front. Obviously, it's a PS4. If you guys didn't notice it, more vents. Oh, and there's that camo color. Oh shit, where's the PS4? And just keep, oh, are those like little controllers? That's pretty cool. I just noticed that. That's cool. Cool design. That's pretty sick. Just noticed that. But let's go ahead and check if there's anything else in the box. Nope. Whatever that is. Just some good stuff. Oh, the game itself. Cool. Oh, shout out to Jose. Sick. Can't wait to get this thing started. Check that again. That's pretty sick. So there's that. Sick controller. Power cable. Little booklet. Quick start guide. HDMI cable. Microphone. And charging cord. And that's pretty much it. That's all the thing that comes in there. Alright, well that's pretty much everything. Hope you guys liked this quick little unboxing. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. That would be pretty awesome. I would appreciate that a lot. But I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.